So I get to his office. His door's open. I get to his office, and he's not there. And I thought, this joker just called me literally like 20 seconds, and did he walk out?
Yeah, yeah.
And so and I just kind of said out loud, I said, huh, well, where'd he go? You know, and when I said that, his head popped up from behind his desk like a gopher. He's just
Like a gopher.
he's
Bloop.
like, a groundhog, or he pops his head up like I'm not like and he goes, come here, come here, come here, and I walk around. He is behind his desk on his hands and knees. Now, I mean, he's got 3-piece suit on. He just come from a customer's, and
Yeah.
he's on his hands and knees. He want to walk over, and he goes, come here, listen. It doesn't make it all the time. Wait, and he literally puts his ear. His computer is on the floor underneath his desk. He literally puts his ear to the computer, and he goes, "You hear that? You hear that?" And I said, "No, sir. I can't. I can't hear anything over the sound of the gardener outside your window trimming the hedges."
Is that what it was?